Hi guys. So we're riding on one of these things. Hi. Yes, apparently talent has to ride on this into BeautyCon. So I'm trying to make sure that I don't fall off. It's very weird. It's a fun day, and I've bumped into so many people already because talent has to come from a different direction. So I'm going to try and Snapchat as much as I can. Okay, I'm having fun, and my lawyer's with me. Yes, Sophia, say hi.
Hello, hello.
Yes,
Please.
she's
Hello, queen.
doing everything for me. Kat, say hi.
Hello.
She's also doing everything for me.
You do that for a queen. When someone is beautiful inside and out, it is an honor.
Sophia, I love you. I love you. See you guys. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my vlog. This is BeautyCon LA. First time I've been here. And I'm with my lawyer entertainment friend, Sophia. Love her so much. Thank you, Sophia, for being here. And hi. This is what I love about life. It's so spontaneous. It's so beautiful. Right. How are you, my darling? You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
I know it. I know it. I know it. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. You have to say your name.
Hashtag Tanisha Strong.
At the Amani College.
Subscribe.
Love it.
Love it.
Recognizing
Thank you so much for the love. Isn't this amazing? I love it. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm with Tony,
Hello.
my agent.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, he does all of my PR.
Welcome.
So we're gonna do red carpet now. So here we go. Hello, Rich darling. How are you? I love you.
We're here at DramaCon. BeautyCon. We're here hanging out.
We're
guys.
doing our thing.
Yeah.
And we're so happy. And happy birthday. You have to say happy birthday to Rich.
Oh, thank you,
I
guys.
adore you. I love you. You look fabulous.
Mwah.
Mwah. Hello, Drea. I love you. You're so adorable. You're gorgeous, darling. God bless you. Hello my loves, we are back for BeautyCon Day 2. Yes, I'm a little tired, but I'm still excited to meet all of you. I'm so excited to be here, and I just am enjoying it. I'm enjoying the essence of it. And there are so many brands out here. There are so many other influencers that I'm meeting. It's just really crazy. I love it. So I'm not going to be speaking that much. You're going to see me here, there, and everywhere. But yeah, I can't believe that we're here day 2 and we're almost done. I'm kind of sad, you know, but like again, I'm still out here in LA. Sophia, say hi. Hi. Ula is at home with the baby, if that's what you're asking, because it's too crowded up in here. So we have what? E-Entertainment behind us, and we have a whole bunch of goodies for free. Every single booth is sending you and giving you some yappy-doo. So let me get to it. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye. love you. I adore you so much. Congratulations on the baby. She's the sweetest, most beautiful. I'm so inspired, and you do inspire so many others.
Thank you.
So keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you. I
Adore.
appreciate it.
Mwah.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong.
Desalu-Vold. I'm from London. I flew all the way from London, and I'm a model, I'm an actress, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a beauty influencer, makeup addict, and I just had a collaboration with Juvia's Place. I'm so excited because it's the first collaboration with her, and it's the first for me. And everything happened for me at 50. I lived at 50. I got my yes, I got my collaboration at 50, and I'm the only beauty influencer to actually here at 50 representing 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds. Life is what you make it, and age is just a number. So I'm just living on. Oh, thank you so much. Yes, beauty really is from the within. It is confidence. It is accepting that you are wonderful from the inside, and then the rest is dress up. The rest is dress up, but you've got to wake up in the morning and clap for yourself because you woke up. Clap, 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 clap. Congratulations, you showed up. And then the rest is just dressing up and playing with fashion and playing with makeup. There are no mistakes, and you can always wash it all off. That's what's trending.
That is what's trending. You heard it here first, live on the carpet. Thank you so much for absolutely incredible.
Thank you so much. Bye.
It was long on a cold November night when I met my Mrs. Right. When my feelings come. I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up.